These aren't just glasses, they're smart, stylish, and built for everyday life. With a sleek half-frame design and ultra lightweight, built at just 26 grams, they're comfortable enough to wear all day. Indoor, the lenses protect your eyes from blue light, perfect for screens. Step outside, and the photochromic lenses react to sunlight, turning gray and becoming polarized to reduce the glare. And here's the fun part, just tap the side to play your favorite music. No wires, no hassle. Smart, stylish, and functional, these smart glasses are made to move with you. They connect to your phone via Bluetooth, and you can play music, answer phone calls.